Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Hibiscus is typically thought about just as a flower, but its petals are utilized medicinally along with for culinary functions, and the color of red hibiscus, whether it's utilized in a tea, a magical sachet, or some other witchy production, is a delightful addition to the usual greens and browns of a herbal magician's kitchen. You can discover dried hibiscus in the herb area of any healthy food shop or online. If you reside in a warm climate, you can also grow it in your garden and harvest and dry the petals yourself. Hibiscus is discovered in a few various colors, but it's red hibiscus that finest serves both medicinal and magical functions. Hibiscus has been utilized in numerous parts of the world in teas and jams, and even for paper making. In some places, fibers from the stem of the hibiscus are used for making sackcloth and twine. High in antioxidants, the tea is useful for controlling cravings, safeguarding the liver, and helping the body speed up recovery from a cold or flu. It can lower high blood pressure and cholesterol, and has even been utilized in some parts of the world for encouraging hair to grow more thickly and keep from turning gray prematurely. The primary magical uses for hibiscus are love, wants, and prophecy. The flowers can be brewed in a strong tea which is drunk for causing enthusiasm. It can likewise be brought in a sachet or burned as an incense to bring affection. Loose dried petals in a hot bath are a wonderful way to raise one's vibration and cause a basic sense of wellness, which is a precursor to bringing new love. Test your bathtub stain resistance before attempting this. The color may wash out more quickly in older porcelain tubs than in newer acrylic ones. For divination and clairvoyance, mix hibiscus into an incense. The flowers can also be used as a scrying tool when put in a wood bowl filled with water. Hibiscus is also known as Karkari and shoe flower. Wonderful associations. Zodiac sign Scorpio. World Venus. Component water. Deity is Kali, Hindu goddess of soul liberation. Ganesha, Hindu god of good luck.